Hey, boys and girls, welcome back. This is Mr. Cote again, and we're going to be doing Big Ideas for second grade, chapter 14, lesson 5. And we're going to do another part to this lesson because, making change is such an important part when you're going to buy anything or make a purchase, because that's how you get your correct amount of money back. And that's a very important thing when you're going to a grocery store. That way, you keep what is yours. It's very important in life. All right. So we got a couple of problems we're going to go through. Very similar to what we did in the first part of this lesson. We're going to buy something with $1, and then we're going to make change for that using a couple of different strategies. If you are working these problems and you see that this strategy doesn't work for you, try another strategy. See what will work for you. Because not the same thing is not going to work well for everybody. I know when I was in second grade, I came up with some strategies on my own on how to subtract. I love to add up. Okay, and I might show you that here at the end of this video. One of the strategies I kind of learned myself when I was a kid. All right, so we're going to move on. Pay attention, work hard. Listen to your parents. It says you buy the item shown, you pay with a $1 bill. What is your change? So again, remember we have, $1 is equal to what? 100 cents, that's right. So I have right here my 100 cents, 25, 50, 75, 85, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. I have my 100 cents right there, $1. Just easier to go ahead and have it in coin form for me. All right, so these crackers are 100 cents. If we start at 100, and we take away 75 cents, we can go back. Let's go back 50, because I know that 50 cents is 2 quarters. Boom, taking those guys away. And that's going to leave me with what? 50 cents, that's right. And I'm going to go back another 25 cents because I know that that's 75 cents right there. So what do I have left? I have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I have 25 cents left. So our change is going to be what? 25 cents. Very important to put that symbol there. Okay? Very important to put that 25-cent symbol there when you're doing your final answer. And another way to write it is, but that's for another day. That is for another day. That is for another day. All right, we have another problem we can do. Okay, whoop. Let's move on. I like this one a lot. Oh, you know what? We forgot to do the compensation method, my friends. How could you forget to tell me? So, compensation method, all right, we have 100, we're taking away 75 cents. Let's go ahead and take away 5 away from 100. That leaves us with 95, because I'm good at counting backwards. 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, okay? All right, now I can take away 5 from 75, and that leaves me with 70. So I'm going to do 95 minus 70, and that leaves me with, you guessed it, 5 take away 0 is 5. 9 tens take away 7 tens is 2 tens. 25 cents. Ooh, 25 cents. All right. Next, get that out of here. So we did our, counting back. We did our number line. We did our compensation. Next, you buy the item shown, which is a really sweet looking race car, for 91 cents. What is your change? That's a lot of counting back to do right there. This is one of those times where I would really like to use the old method that I used to use when I was in second grade. I remember working on subtraction. I wasn't the best at it, and I really liked to be the best. So, that's stories for another day. Okay, let's do our counting back. So we're going to start at 100 because we have our 100 cents here. We paid with $1. So now we're going to go back some cents. Let's go back 25 cents. We'll do 50 again because that gets a lot of that chunk out of the way. That gets us to 50 cents. We'll go back, we'll go back a quarter. So we've gone back 75 cents. That leaves us with 25 cents. So now let's go back. We have some dimes we can go back. We'll go back 10 cents. That leaves us with what? 15 cents. How many cents have we gone back? 50, 75, 85. So we need to go back 6 more cents. Uh-oh. Pause right now. And let's see. We don't have an even 6 cents we can give away, do we? Pause right now and see if you can figure out what we need to do. All right, we're back. Okay. If you said change out one of these dimes for another way to get 10 cents, you'd be right. So what's another way to get 10 cents? Well, I can get 2 nickels, right? I can get a nickel and 5 more pennies, right? There's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay? Or I can get 10 pennies. Lots of different ways. I'm going to go with this way. Just seems like a nice little thing to do here. Well, I like having a lot of pennies when we have numbers like this. So we still need to go back 6 cents. So I know that, 5 and 1 is 6. So I'm going to go back 5 because I like counting nice and even. So that's going to leave me with 10. There's my 5 I'm going back. And then I'm going to go back my 1 cent. This guy should be over here, right? Yeah. All right, so we went back 91 cents, and it left us with, all right, so let's make sure we went back 91 cents. 75, 50, 25, 50, 75, 85, 90, 91 cents. What's it left us with? 1 cent, 2 cents, 3 cents, 4 cents, 5 cents, 6 cents, 7 cents, 8 cents, 9 cents. This leaves us with 9 cents. You see that counting backwards like this, it's a great strategy. It's going to get you the right answer if you do it the right way every time. But I feel like there's always an easier way, right? Always an easier way. So let's do our compensation real quick. So we have, let's put our 9 cents here. We are left with changes 9 cents. So we're not getting a whole bunch of money back on this one. That car is pretty expensive. Which just wait till you get old and you have to buy your own car. You get that payment, right? Hey, bank, I need some money. Okay, you guys can pay us back over a long time. Whatever. All right, next. Compensation. We have 100. We're taking away 91. Let's take away 1 from each. That's going to be 99. Let's take away, this is going to leave us with, 90? So let's take away 90. That leaves us with 9. 9 take away 0 is 9. 9 tens minus 9 tens is no tens. So we're left with 9 cents. Bada bing, bada boom. Now with this one, I am going to show you my the way I made up when I was a kid. So the equation for this is 90. The equation for this is 100. You have $100, 100 cents. And you're taking away 91 cents. You're going to give this 91 cents to the store because you're going to get that car from them. So one thing I used to do is I would just say, okay, well, there's 91. I'm just going to count up to 100. So if I did that, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Check this out. If I count how many this is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Isn't that our same answer here? 9 cents? 9 cents. So a lot quicker to do it that way than to do it some of the other ways that we know. So if you're into getting things done quickly and effectively, like I am, you can if you have different ways that you know how to do it. You have different tools to help you do the job. Employ those tools. Use them. Whatever helps you get the job done right in the quickest way and done well too. You always want to do the best job you can. Okay. People appreciate that. But yeah, this is how to make change from $1. Keep practicing it. Set up a little store in your house. Okay. I know you have some little toys that you can play a store with. Okay. I used to play it all the time. And then actually, get your brother, your uncle, your sister, your cousin to play with you, your mom, your dad. Play with your puppy. Your puppy probably wants to pick out a toy. Okay. And then charge them for it. And you give them the change back. Okay. Everything costs $1. You give them the change back. All right. Good luck. And as always, if you have any questions, let us know. Email your teacher. Okay. Keep working. Keep playing. Have a great day.